Google My Business is mostly for local businesses such as barbers, beauticians, salons, restaurants, stuff like that. And Google made it to better inform search users so that they don't have to go into the website. They can learn a lot more about the website just through their Google My Business page, which is essentially a small web page hosted by Google. And because it's hosted by Google, they trust the reviews that are coming through. They trust the copy that's on there. They trust the images. That's why Google My Business was created. It was to better serve both the local businesses. They can have their information through Google, and then also to help make it more convenient for the people who are searching. Now, in order how to improve it is there's a couple of things you can do. Firstly, you need to have it up, right? It's pretty much a process to get it up. It's not like you click a couple of buttons and it's all done. You have to get a postcard mailed to your business because otherwise they can't verify whether you're a legitimate business or not. It has to go to the address because Google's reputation's on the line when they do give you recommendations. So it's a bit of a process to set up. So make sure that you set it up. There's plenty of YouTube guides in order to learn how to do that. So that's number one, getting it set up and getting it set up properly. Highly recommend you watch a couple of YouTube tutorials so that you understand how to fill out the information properly. The second thing would be when you are filling it out, do your best. Try to answer the questions that they're asking you. When are you open? When are you close? Putting in some product images, being very specific about your address. If you have unit number or something like that, making sure that all that information is in there. That's the other thing. It's something advanced you can do if you want to hire an SEO person or whether you want to do this yourself. You can use keywords everywhere, one of these other free keyword research tools. Make sure you're understanding what are the best ways to mention your business. Is it a nail salon? Is it a nails boutique? So like be specific about what you do. Am I an SEO company? Am I an SEO agency? Am I an SEO consultant? These are all decisions you need to make, and you can do that and you can be better informed if all things are equal is to do keyword research. So understand what keywords you want on the page. Once all that is done, you put in the images, you put in everything that they're asking you. Now what you have to start doing is it's more off-page SEO. This means that it's external to your website. You do this in two different ways. Firstly, you do it through NAP optimization, name, address, place. What Google wants to see is your name, address, place on other directories, on other websites, on other social media pages. Anywhere your website is mentioned, your name, address, and phone number have to be the exact same, written in the exact same way. If you say street, and you spell out street, you have to write street every single time from now on. If you do street as an ST dot, you have to do that every single time now. If you just do ST without the dot, that is how you have to do it every single time now. Now, this is a very laborious process if you want to do it by yourself. What I would recommend is you go to a website called Bright Local. They do this very inexpensively where they will scour the internet. They'll find every single place your name, address, and phone number has been mentioned, and they'll go ahead and they'll try to make those edits on your behalf. It's a very convenient service that you can pick up. You can also start adding to this. The more there are, the better. Hypothetically, now what you can do is now you can go to all the major directories and you can start filling in the information, or you can just hire Bright Local to do it. It's very inexpensive for them to do it, and try to get maybe 5 to 10, maybe 20 of them in total, or maybe 5 every single month or something like that. That's convenient for your budget, something that's within your budget, which is going to be maybe just $20, $30 at max anyways. Then the last thing you want to do is getting reviews. This is external. This is off-page SEO. What you want to do is you want to start asking your best customers to give you reviews. You don't want them to give all the reviews at once. You want them spread out. That's the most ideal situation you can walk into. And there's a lot of great tools that can help you collect reviews. Once someone visits your website or when someone gets your service, they'll be automatically texted the link to give you a review. That's how you can start building up your reviews. But apart from that, making sure you have it set up properly, you have all the information on there, you have the right keywords on there when you're mentioning your services and everything else. You start to optimize your name, address, and phone number across every single other property that you have across the internet, including social media and all these other places, and then just getting reviews. And then it's a competition. You have to sometimes wait. You have to sometimes get more reviews. And yeah, that's how you go about doing it.